Today I'll show you an easy tutorial on how to make chain necklaces with pendants. First, I'll show the materials I'm using and I'll put the links in the description. Feel free to comment questions. There are also timestamps to help you out, so don't worry. Before we start, I'd like to thank Beebeecraft for providing these free supplies. You can get free products by creating videos for them if you have over 100 subscribers. If you're interested in joining this program, you can fill out the form on their website. I'll link it in the description box, along with other information such as product links. You can also use my coupon code Krystalline10 to save 10% on your order. I'm using this set of 3 pliers, which you can find on AliExpress. I use the ones on the left and middle to close and open jump rings. I use the pliers on the right side to cut stuff like chains. I have this 3.6mm chain which can be used to extend necklaces. I usually add 2 to 3 inches of chain to my necklaces. I use a thin chain for a dainty look, but you can use any size. This one is 0.35 by 0.2 centimeters. You must use pliers to cut them, since regular scissors don't work. Jump rings are a necessity to connect each part. I recommend using smaller jump rings like 4 or 5 millimeters. I'm using 6 millimeters since I don't have a smaller size that is strong enough. I'm using these wire wrap jade pendants from Beebeecraft. I made a haul video for them, so watch that to see everything I got. If you've seen my previous video, I also used these pendants to make earrings. If you need a bead earring tutorial, check that out. I'll sell these earrings on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description. The last item is also from Beebeecraft. These are 24K gold-plated lobster clasps. I got them in the biggest size. I love these. They're so shiny and the quality looks good. First, we're going to need to decide on how long to make the chain. I usually make them 16 to 18 inches, but the length is up to you. After you measure the chain, you're going to use cutting pliers. I cut my chain off camera and made it 16 inches long. Next, we're gonna attach a pendant or a charm. I'll use this brown colored jade pendant. It has a loop or a circle on top, so I'm gonna slide the chain through the circle like this. If the circle isn't big enough, then you can attach it onto the chain using a jump ring. You could also use jump rings to attach more than one charm. I recommend using a small jump ring. Personally, I like how it looks without the jump ring, so I won't use it. Now we're going to attach jump rings to the end of the chain. I'm using a 6mm jump ring. I don't recommend using a bigger size if it looks unproportionate. It also might not fit through the chain. Place the clasp through the jump ring and close the ring with pliers. Make sure you've closed it well and press it closed if you need to. Do the same step as before and attach the ring on the other end. I made my extension chain 2.5 inches, but the length is up to you. I'll attach the chain to the jump ring. If you want to, you can attach another charm to the extension chain with another jump ring. That's the end of the tutorial. I hope this was easy to follow. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you again. Bye.